Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 25th March 2021. So this analysis and stock recommendation is for 25th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with a new list of stocks for 26th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock updates. So let's get started. So you can always see on the screen that I have written the name of the first stock, SU Suncor Energy. Yes, Suncor Energy is the first stock. Okay, on daily chart you can see that it has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, there is a resistance at 27 level, but the stock failed to cross the daily resistance. Let me show you. The stock failed to cross this level, and ultimately it had to close at 26.56 level. Okay. So what should be a strategy for Suncor then? Okay, so as we all know, generally a spinning top kind of a pattern suggests that there is an indication going on in the market, and there is a kind of it's like a tug of war kind of a situation. Okay, so either bulls or bears, whoever may win, will have to take their side. Okay, so we will go for buy if we get a stock above 27.10 level, and we will short the stock if we get the stock below 26 level. Okay, and between this range between 27 and 26 level we will not go for any trade. This is our no trading zone. Okay, buy above 27.1, sell below 26. So the second stock for today is AC Air Canada. For Air Canada, you can see that yesterday it has closed at 26.45 level. It tried to go up and it made a high of 27.3. Okay, it made a high of 27.3, but the price failed to sustain and ultimately it came down to the support level. So there was a huge price rejection from above as well. So this suggests that there are some sellers present in the market who are not allowing the price to go higher. Okay, in that case, we will be looking for shorting opportunity. Okay, shorting opportunity below 26.15. Okay, in case you get a stock below 26.15 level and you spot some good selling pressure, okay, you can short the stock below 20. Sorry, not 26. Sorry, not 20. It's 26.15 level. Okay, below 26.15 level. So let's jump to the next stock. It's NTR. Nutrient Limited. For Nutrient, you can see that it has made a red candle yesterday. Okay, though it has made a red candle, but the thing that we need to notice here is that there is a support at 26.4 level and the stock has respected the support and closed above this support. Okay, let me draw a line here so that you get a clear picture. Okay, so this level is very much important for the stock. The stock closes 68.46 level. So what we will do today? Okay, we will look for selling opportunity below this level, below 68, yesterday's low. So in case you get the stock below 68 level, okay, and you see that the stock is having some problem, it is having some selling pressure, okay, sellers are dominating the market. In that case, you can short the stock below 68, and if you spot some good buying pressure, okay, then you go for buy above this level 69.45. Okay, so sell below 68, buy above 69.45 for Nutrient. Okay, this is the level, and right now the stock is in a very crucial position. It has just taken support at the daily support level. So the next stock is FTS Fortis. Fortis is a very good stock for long-term investment also. Very good stock. Okay, Fortis, TD, these are very good stock for long-term investment. Okay, so for Fortis, you can see that it has closed at 53.93 level yesterday. Okay, and you can see that the stock is in huge bull run, so no selling calls. Okay, we do not want to go against the trend, and you can see that the stock is taking good support at the 53.7 level. Okay, it has got some good support at 53.7 level. So what should be a strategy on 40s then? Strategy is simple: buy above 54. If you get the stock above 54 level, it's a buy. Okay, no, not much complication. The stock is in good trend. So the last stock is Saputo. Unlike Fortis, you can see that Saputo has formed a big red candle yesterday, and it has just closed below the daily support, which was at 37.45 level. Okay, and the stock has closed at 37.39 level. Okay, looking at the size of the red candle, we will only be looking for shorting opportunity or selling opportunity. So selling opportunity below 37.3. Okay, so if you get the stock below 37.3 level and you see some good selling pressure, okay, just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that yes, yesterday's sellers are still there in the market, they are enjoying the party, okay, and you just short the stock below 37.3 level. Okay, so uh, this is the call for Saputo. So these are the 5 stocks that you can trade on 25th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, all the best. See you tomorrow with a new list of stocks. Bye bye, and do subscribe.